Arf, 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 arf. Never took a left. Oh, that cart was a jack of wheel.
Oh my god, oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible.
Oh, wind chill's like 7. So cold.
I'm going to go back and look in the secret park section. Oh yeah, there's one back there.
We need jeans. We're very low on the jeans. Baby jeans. Kids jeans. Socks. There. Corduroys.
American Eagle jeans. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Oh my god, I got the worst card. And my glasses are so fogged up.
What is this? King something. Oh, needs a key. That sucks. No way to get in here, huh? Well, that stinks.
Oh, lampshade hats. Wow. I wonder if this works. This is disgusting, but if I clean it up and it works, friends, might be a good pickup. Casio Tone MT35. Oh my god. Whisper Mist Humidifier. Yes. Mojo Beatles Special Magazine. In good shape from 2001.
Another one. Stein. I had this album. It's holy 90s.
This is good. Wasn't all dented up. What brand is this? LL Bean. Oh, vintage LL Bean sleep shirt. That's good.
Cassette tapes. They're all mixtapes somebody made. Yep. Karate Man. Fondue cookbook, yes. Oh, it's ripped in the back. Oh man, that is 70s. That's awesome.
this? Watermelon shut? Oh, it's like a watermelon dicky. So or no, it's the skirt. It's a watermelon skirt. I was gonna say, I thought it was a dicky that you put around your neck. LuLaRoe though, that's just like a popular thing. LuLaRoe kids watermelon skirt. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get that. It's cute. It's gonna cost literally like a quarter.
What? Oh my God. What'd you do to your walk? Holy sh... I mean, I don't want to swear, but holy crap. That's just irresponsible.
Kids. Ooh, Urban Outfitters. Yes, friends. Oh, it's like... Yes. So I did get a nice J. Crew scarf like this, but no one bought it. But this is really nice. Urban Outfitters scarf. I'm gonna get this. It's a yes from me.
CDs. Canadian brass. That's, okay. All right. Titanic. Oh God, Harry Connick Jr. That's just, that's terrible. I don't have anything to say about that.
Look how pretty. Look at this. Just like cute babies.
These are in good shape. 505, 36, 34. Take it. More socks. There's like a ton of socks here today. Look, more socks. Look, more socks. More socks. I don't think I'd ever buy used socks. I really needed socks. I guess I'd do it. More socks. These are vintage Wranglers. I think they're Wranglers. Yeah, they are. Look at that. These are pretty old. I think we're gonna get them. First pair of jorts, brown jorts. White tag premium denim, refined color. These might be worth some money. I'm grabbing them. There we go. Looks like they got attacked by a cat. Yikes. Oh. It's a very tiny piano. This is small.
Casio Tone MT35. Friends, this is going to be a moment of truth. Plug her in and plug her in. Oh wait, power. Oh. Oh my God, it worked. This is great. Oh my God. Oh my God. It totally works. 20, 55, and 99. This says parts only with cord and adapter working. Tested, works great. 55 plus 27 shipping. That's with a box. 99 without a box, tested and working. Something about between $50 and $90 sold comps. Amazing.
Does these work?
Yeah.
All of them?
Yep.
I don't know how you're gonna get that yellow out though.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. I mean,
Did the ones that you were looking for yellow?
some are for parts only, for just $20 for parts only.
All right, I get it.
Yeah. So excited. I gotta get the knots out of here and stuff, but I'll definitely clean this up with some Q-tips, alcohol wipes.
All right, so the yeses are that book. We got some yearbooks.
Yep, that one I'm keeping for myself because it's our year of birth.
Yep.
Oh, and then 1980, that's 82,
Got
but we're keeping
R.L.
80 for
Stein
ourselves.
book. We got these
Those
books.
are good. These look fire.
Paul McCartney magazine.
Yep.
We got some vintage Wrangler jorts here. Vintage scarf. A
The
LLB
scarf's not
night
vintage,
shirt.
but it's new. It's American or
Some sort of watermelon thing.
watermelon skirt.
Tommy women jeans. White premium denim.
The skirt
And a
and then
Casio
the Casio.
keyboard.
That's the awesome 500.